Welcome to Journeyhorizon, an expert in building marketplace platforms and a top-tier partner of Sharetribe. We've launched a no-code template app to help you build your marketplace faster, easier, and more cost-effectively. Additionally, to better meet your needs, Journeyhorizon offers a wide range of plugins. In this video, let's explore the multi-user account feature for marketplaces where you need more than one user in the organization to manage listings or purchase goods. This feature is the perfect solution. With this plugin, different user accounts can be associated with the company user account. Users will have all necessary access rights. To get started, on the homepage, click on Delegate Access. Here, you'll see the permissions that the new admin will have, including interact with your profile, interact with your listing, and interact with your transaction. You can select the permissions you want to grant to the new admin. Once selected, click on the Delegate Access button. The new admin now has the permissions you've granted. If you want to remove granted permissions, scroll up to see the list of current admins. To remove an admin, simply click the X button. Experience the multi-user account and other amazing features with Journeyhorizon. Contact us now to build your marketplace.